I meant to say I'm thirsty. My soup.
You're thirsty?
Please show yourself.
I don't know.
Let's check.
Yeah, you could have showed yourself.
Oh.
Yeah? Why?
Okay.
I think so.
Woody, I said get off the camera.
Hey,
I don't care. What?
take her easy, Ava.
I'm sorry. Ignore that distraction.
Oh, for heaven's sake. Ah,
Whoa. I just realized I never made a lot of Mario vs. Sonic videos.
you did?
No, I didn't make that much. I have to continue of like part whatever. I never made them since we got Red Yoshi and stuff and like crazy. So I'm gonna make more. My old camera's broken. Like I know. That's why.
Uh-oh.
My old videos are longer. My videos are longer. Now we need some more. Ah. Oh god damn it. There. Ah.